Welcome. In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show and tell you whether it's possible to see the graphics card of this laptop. So basically you can check all the hardware elements of your laptop in settings. So first open the launcher, then go to settings, and then in settings scroll down to about Chrome OS section, then open Diagnostics section, and then here you will see your battery, in my case CPU and memory. So as you can see, this laptop doesn't have a built-in graphics card, but the graphics card is rather integrated into the CPU, and here is the name of the CPU installed in your device. So that is the only way that you can check GPU on this laptop. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.